Hey everyone, Queer V here, super ready to open my January ArtSnacks box. A few things real quick. I'm wearing my house coat. It's really cold, so I chose to be warm instead of look good for on camera. So oh well. Also, this box took forever to get to me, and I know it's not ArtSnacks' fault. I know it's like USPS, but it was really stressful because for like an entire week it just said in transit to next facility, and I was afraid that they lost my package because I didn't know where it was and I had heard nothing for like an entire week. So I just now got this yesterday. I wasn't here, I was actually visiting my family, but my partner got it for me anyways. I'm super excited to open this. Alright, here's my scissors. You ready for this? I've had to not let myself watch other people do their January ArtSnacks videos on YouTube. What's in here? Oh! If you've been watching some of my other videos, you can see that you'll have heard that I love this brand of paint. Wow, I'm super excited about these. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and show you them, and I'll say what's on the card a little bit later. Please focus. There we go. Oh, this is a gorgeous green color right here. Oh wow, I love the Verdine green hue. Haynes gray, that's pretty cool too. So these are golden fluid acrylics. These are acrylic paints. Sorry, in my excitement I forgot to describe that. Yeah, these are some high-end paints. I'm pretty excited for that. Okay, and then, ooh, so cute. I love these little pads. This is like perfect size for me. I did do a way previous ArtSnacks box challenge on one of these. Oh wow, these are super thick. Wow, like, can I show you like how thick this paper is? It's really thick. That was like the thickest paper ever. There's only 5 sheets in here. The other one that came in a previous ArtSnacks box had 10. So these are very heavy. It says Stonehenge Aqua cold press heavy. So yeah, it's very heavy. But wow, I'm excited for this little pad. I can make an ACEO out of this. I just have to cut it a little bit. It's almost the right size. All right. Okay, and the snack was a lifesaver. I like lifesavers. Oh my god, did I not get a sticker again? Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't get a sticker again. Well, that's okay. In the last box that I opened that was a previous ArtSnacks box, I didn't get a sticker. And they did send me one, so I'll just have to send them another thing. Hey, I didn't get a sticker again. So that's okay. Alright. So what's in this now? Never rips right. There's 2 things in here, maybe? Okay. This looks cool. Alright, so we'll do the paintbrush first. It's a 2 round. Let me see it. And it's premium original gold King Art, okay. And then this Stabilo sensor, I have no idea what that is. Fineliner 0.3. Okay, I like the design on the body, and I think this looks like a really cool pen. And it's just like a fine liner, I guess. But it's pretty. I like the body of it a lot. Ooh, the grip. Ooh, it's pretty comfortable, even though I slipped right out of my hands. I like this. It's kind of soft too. Oh, is this open? No, it just looks weird at the end. Okay, wow. Well, I'm actually pretty excited for this box. I love golden paint, so I'm happy. It would have been cool to get like another color that wasn't like black or grayish, but that's just because I love color and I want like color everywhere. Woo! But wow, this green is really gorgeous. Okay. I will now read the menu for this month. Okay. So here is what's on the menu for January. The first thing is the Stabilo Sensor Black Fineliner F-Tip. Okay, this is a $2 retail. And it says, whether you're sketching or writing, you'll reach for the Stabilo Sensor Fineliner again and again. Designed to be the perfect all-around fineliner, this pen features a 0.3mm tip that can withstand high drawing pressure. That's good because sometimes I like press down hard. The felt tip retracts into the metal casing so no breaking or bending occurs. Nice. You'll only experience a smooth, consistent performance with this pen. That's awesome. Because I do use like a lot of micron pens. I have so many, but they get all messed up, and I try so hard to like not like put pressure down, but I don't know. I guess sometimes I guess I'm heavy-handed, even though I'm really like shaky when I draw. It's confusing. Anyways, I'm excited for that pen. Okay, and then the Golden Fluid Acrylics. Retail range $6.69 to $7.09 each. And I can definitely agree with that because the ones I bought were like $5 to $7 as well. This is a staff favorite. Experience highly intense, permanent acrylic color with Golden Fluid Acrylics. This month we packed your box with 2 bold colors. Produced from light, fast pigments instead of dyes, they have the same strength of golden heavy body acrylics, but with a thin consistency similar to heavy cream. I do prefer the thin consistency. I haven't really worked that much with heavy body acrylics, but I don't prefer that. I like it to be fluid. I really enjoy these. So, I mean, I've never had like actual colors. The only ones I have are metallics, like silver and gold. So it'll be cool to work with some that are like solid colors. Again, I would have liked something like maybe like a yellow, or like what goes good with green. Everything goes good with green. Even like a red, I could do Christmas. I don't care. I love Christmas all year long. Or like pink would have been interesting too. Something like that. I don't know. Anything really, but I'll use the gray. I'll use the gray. Okay, and then the brush, oh, that's kind of expensive. King Art Original Gold 9000 Series Golden Taklon Brush, round size 2. So it's $8.99 retail. New to ArtSnacks. King Art designs their brushes with the artist in mind, manufacturing them to survive years of steady use. That's good. Their original gold 9000 series Golden Taklon brush features smooth filaments that have been baked for softness and optimal absorption. I didn't know you can like bake paintbrushes. That's weird. That's cool though. Okay. The bristles are resilient and easily spring back to their original shape. Cool. I hope this will be a good brush to use. It sounds good. And okay, so this is the bonus item, Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Heavy Mini Paper Pad by Legion Paper. For Stonehenge paper, versatility is the name of the game. Made in the USA, this 100% cotton paper can handle a variety of wet media. Designed brawnier than its cold press sibling, Cold Press Heavy has the heft 600 GSM to take multiple layers of color in a controllable way. Whether you use watercolor, acrylic, or gouache, your colors will stay vibrant from bottle to paper. Cool, so this does look like really good paper. It's very, very thick, but I'm excited to use it, and I'm really happy they included it. I love when they include paper. It hasn't happened to me that often, but I love it. And I guess I should mention that this little King Art thing was in there. Oh, and there is a discount for 40% off on ArtSnacks, so that's cool. But yeah. And so I didn't do the joke on my last unboxing video, so I'm gonna remember to do it this time. So the joke for January is, why did the artist apply for a loan? She was baroque. I actually really like that one. That's funny. It was baroque. That's good. That's good. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this box. I mean, I have tried the golden acrylics before, but like I said, I haven't tried them in solid colors. I've only tried them in metallics, so I'm happy with this. Hooray! Thanks so much for watching me. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I can't wait to use these products. So see you in that next video. Bye!